This is Raja. Welcome to my channel. And today we are going to discuss about you know one functionality like so how to hide like unhide unwanted like a filters on the dashboard based on this like a filter selection. And before moving to this content please share and subscribe to my channel and share the video. So in case if in case user wants to select south or west, the fourth filter automatically appears on the dashboard itself. And in case user select central or east, so still we can see this three filters on the dashboard. If you see here, I just selected this east and from the region itself, and if I select a south from the region, I can see this fourth filter like a subcategory. And even if I click on this like a west, I can see this fourth filter. But again, if I go back to this like a central, I can see only three filters. So okay, so let's okay, how to achieve this functionality in the dashboard. Okay, so let me duplicate this like a dashboard, and then I'll show you how to do that actually. Okay, let me duplicate this dashboard, and then so let me remove these existing filters, whatever filters are appearing on the screen. So I'm going to delete this all the filters itself. And there is no rocket science behind itself, and it's a very small idea. Okay, let me remove these all the things. Okay, and then so you can add this like a horizontal object here. And so later on that, so this is our floating objects. I use the existing itself, so you can remove that floating object too also. And now so we have this horizontal object here, and so most of the filters are applying from this sheet only, region wise sales, so that so let me click on this sheet and then bring these all the filters here. Okay, and here I can see these filters, region and state, category and subcategory. Okay, let me click on this like a region. So I just brought this like a filter on the dashboard. Okay, let's change this filter view into this single value selection, and then click on all. Okay, again go back to this analysis tab and then bring that state filter to same manner. We can change this into the single value drop down, so let it select all, and you can bring other two filters also. Okay, so let me bring that category and subcategory. So let me change this okay, let me change this view single value drop down, and this is also like single value drop down. Okay, let it select all. Okay, this is also like all. So here you always remember the one thing is like, so currently we are using this horizontal object, so that do not use this like a distribute content evenly option here, because I'm going to fix this width each filter. So right now let me fix this like a width here. So right now it is 168, so that you can keep 200 for each filter. And for this category filter also we can fix this width, and subcategory you can fix this width here. Now so how I'm going to achieve that functionality. So just if you see here, there is some empty space over there beside this like a subcategory. I'm going to utilize that like a space to hide the specific fourth filter based on the region selection only. For example, okay, so I already created one like a empty sheet here. In the empty sheet, so I'm just using this ad hoc like a calculation here, and so it's a empty colons, and here also you can drag these empty colons in the text itself. And if you see here, and if I hover on mouse, so I can see this colons on the tooltip itself. Okay, and so let's go back to this so before itself, let me show you that condition also, which condition I have written here. And so if you see here, and I have written this condition whether region is equals to central or region is equals to east. This is Boolean function. So based on this like a region selection, the sheet will automatically go off. So right now I have created this calculation, so you can drag and apply these specific conditions to the empty sheet only. Okay, and so remaining all filters are applicable for this sheet. Whether it is required, you can apply, because but the region filter should apply to sheet, because the existing condition is depends on this like a region only. Okay, let's go back to this dashboard, and so you can drag this empty sheet beside this category itself. Okay, yeah. So let's hide this title, and then so just test ourselves whether it is collapse or not. So the thing is, right, if I select this like a south, the sheet will get automatically collapse, because if I select this central and east, then only the sheet empty sheet will be visible, otherwise it automatically goes off only. So based on this scenario, we achieve this functionality here. So let's select this west, and so it's already collapsed the sheet. So even if I select this central again, the sheet content will automatically appears. So now, so how do we move that subcategory left to right based on this selection, right? And now I'm going to cover, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cover a mask on the specific portion only. So let me add one blank object over there here. So let me add this blank object. Okay, and in the blank object, so what I'm going to, I'm just adjusting that width. The same manner, let me remove this background color. So I'm going to select this white, and so I just added this one like a blank also. Now so play with this filter. Okay, let me create this. So if I click on this south, I can see the subcategory. If I click on this west, I can see subcategory in the left side. But if I select central, it will go to right side. Even if I click on this east, it will be placed on the same, it will be placed on the right side only. So now what I'm going to do is, right, anyway we are using one blank object, right? I'm going to change that background color. So you can select the white color itself only. If you select white color, so in the background we cannot see anything, right? So that I'm using that white background only. Now so let's play one more time. Let me select this south, I can see subcategory. So let me select with this west, I can see subcategory. But if I go back to this central, so the filter will get high. So even if I select this east also, the filter will get off. So everyone enjoyed this video, and so definitely we'll come back with a new tips and tricks, and so we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.